Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the valve accessible and the tube fully deflated. First, remove any valve cap and unscrew the Presta lock nut 1 to 2 turns so the core can move. Once done, press the small pin to ensure no trapped air remains. You want a flat, safe workspace. Make sure you have a proper core remover or a 5mm wrench and a towel to catch the core. You're ready to engage the tool. Steady the valve stem so you don't twist the rim. You now place the core remover onto the core flats and apply steady counterclockwise torque. Small, controlled turns work better than a sudden yank. Once the core begins to turn, continue until it backs out completely. Keep the tool aligned so the core withdraws straight from the valve stem. When the core clears, catch it with a rag or your fingers to prevent drops. After extraction, inspect the core and valve for debris or damage, because reinstallation will fail if the mating surfaces aren't clean. To finish, thread the replacement or cleaned core in clockwise by hand until it seats, then give it a final slight snug with the tool. Do not over-tighten. Once seated, inflate to your target pressure, commonly 30 to 60 psi for road tires, and listen for hissing at the valve. If you detect leaks, deflate and remove the core to inspect the O-ring and the valve stem for cuts or debris. If problems persist, replace the valve core or tube. That usually resolves remaining leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.